Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're talking about the PLAYDOGE token. So this token here is doing one of their pre-sale, or doing a pre-sale on their webpage. It says they've raised $710,000 so far, and their goal here is $787,000, so it looks like they're almost at their goal. Now, a lot of these pre-sales, these ICOs that are on their own webpage can be pretty sketchy. There's always conflicting comments. Some people saying, this is a great token, and some people will say this is a scam. And there always seems to be the most kind of controversy around these types of pre-sales, these initial coin offerings on their own webpage. So we're going to go over this token. We're also going to look for a audit. We're going to see if there's, good security on this token. The pre-sale may be, close to over. It might even be over by the time you watch this video. But this token will, if it is a successful pre-sale and a legit token, it is going to go over to DEXs, central exchanges, that type of thing after the pre-sale. We're going to see if they have any info about that. And we're going to go over the audit and all that type of stuff in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find their webpage at PLAYDOGE.io. I actually saw this token being advertised on a one of those banner ads. Could have been like on Dex Screen or Dex Tools or something like that. So yeah, I clicked on that to check it out. It looks like they do have a full white paper. They have an audit by CoinSalt. We're going to check that out in a second. It says they have staking, frequently asked questions, Twitter, Telegram. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here, as usual, at PLAYDOGE Game. It says, PLAYDOGE, your play-to-earn Tamagotchi-themed Doge companion. Embrace the 90s nostalgia by Play in pre-sale now. And there's a link there, bitesly.io. So let's see where that actually takes us. I don't even know what that is. That looks like it's just that just takes you to playdoge.io, their webpage. So there's a link right there to their webpage. 987 followers so far. Pinned tweet says pre-sale now live. If you scroll down here, you can just see all sorts of updates about the project. If you go to their webpage, it looks like the countdown is over. Like it says 1 second left of their pre-sale. But they still haven't reached their goal yet. So it seems like the countdown for some reason is not going. You know how they count down until the next price increase. It looks like it stopped at 1 second for some reason. So they're probably just trying to reach this final goal here. It says 1 play token. Play is the ticker symbol for PLAYDOGE. 1 token is about half a penny, it looks like right now. You could stake the tokens. You could connect your wallet and buy the token with BNB, USDT, or ETH, or a card, it says. The best play-to-earn Doge companion game. PLAYDOGE is a mobile-based play-to-earn game that transforms the iconic Doge meme into a Tamagotchi-style virtual pet. Embrace the 90s nostalgia. Buy play tokens in pre-sale to enjoy classic 2D adventures and earn more crypto. So it says, start your PLAYDOGE adventure. Thriving in his own 8-bit digital world, PLAYDOGE, your play-to-earn companion, still needs care and attention just like a real dog. Feed, train, and play with your 2D Doge. Guide it through in-app mini games and earn Play tokens to treat your best friend. Download PLAYDOGE coming soon, it says, so it's not available yet. Play through the PLAYDOGE app with your digital Doge companion and form a bond that can never be broken. Use the Play tokens to activate Play to earn rewards for keeping your Doge healthy and beating the game levels. So this has been featured in tons of different news articles, the Economic Times, FX Street, Cointelegraph, Cryptopolian, Bitcoin.com, Binance, Square, CoinCodex, Crypto News Z, and TradingView. So lots of marketing and news articles that they've been doing here. So they kind of show you what the game, the characters, all the artwork, everything looks like on their webpage. They have a roadmap here, starting with the contract audit, and we're going to go over that in a second. Then pre-sale starts, so that's where we're at. Social activation and initial marketing push. Phase 2 is going to be app dev starts, and pre-sale ends. Token launch on a decentralized exchange. Product roadmap. Phase 3 is going to be increased marketing, continued app testing, mini game beta version, first central exchange listing. Phase 4 is going to be PLAYDOGE app release, full mini games launch, community airdrop, and bigger central exchange listings. So the Play token features, it says Play is the primary in-game currency for transactions and special features. There's earning mechanisms, and yeah, so you could use it within the game. You can earn tokens. There's going to be leaderboard rewards. How the token is split up, we got 50% going to pre-sale, 7.5% of the tokens going to community rewards, 11.5% liquidity, 12.5% marketing, 12.5% project funds, and 6% staking. So on their solid proof audit, it says, first of all, it says contract is not upgradable. So there's a check mark there. That's good. Developer cannot update the contract with new functionalities. It says ownership is renounced, so that's good to see there. Owner cannot mint new tokens, check mark there. Owner cannot burn tokens, check mark there. Owner cannot blacklist wallets, that's good. Owner cannot set fees more than 25%. Owner cannot lock function. So all good check marks there. And so then it says there are no ownership privileges in this contract. No critical issues, no high issues, no medium issues, no low issues, but there is one informational issue. So it says NAT spec documentation missing. This informational issue is open and has not been fixed yet. So just be aware of that. There is one warning on their audit. So the contract is not perfect. It's not fully secure. So, you know, those warnings are there for a reason. So definitely be aware of that. Like I said, a lot of these pre-sales on their own webpage can be pretty sketchy. So, you know, check this token out and let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section down there. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.